Tucked away in the heart of Phuket, Thailand, there exists a place that refuses to be ordinary. Metadee Concept Hotel is not simply a place to sleep between beach visits. It is a carefully curated experience that blends contemporary design, cultural warmth, and thoughtful hospitality into something that feels genuinely rare. From the moment you arrive, the property communicates a clear intention, that every detail has been considered, and that your comfort is the central idea around which everything else has been built. The name itself hints at this philosophy. A concept hotel, by definition, goes beyond the functional. It asks a question. What if a stay could feel like an immersive experience rather than a transaction? Metadee answers that question with confidence and style. Walking through the grounds of Metadee, you immediately notice the architecture. Clean lines meet tropical lushness in a way that feels intentional rather than accidental. The design language draws from modern minimalism while honoring the natural beauty of its Thai surroundings. Open-air corridors invite the warm Phuket breeze to move freely, while carefully placed greenery softens every corner. The rooms and suites continue this visual conversation. Interiors are sleek without feeling cold, featuring neutral tones punctuated by warm wood accents and locally inspired touches. Large windows and private balconies ensure that the outside world, with its swaying palms and golden light, is always part of the experience. Whether you book a deluxe room or a pool villa, the sense of space and serenity remains consistent throughout. At the center of the Metadee experience is its stunning pool area, which has become something of a signature for the property. The main swimming pool stretches generously across the resort, surrounded by sun lounges and shaded cabanas that invite long, unhurried afternoons. The water is kept pristine, and the atmosphere around it strikes a perfect balance between lively and relaxed. For those seeking even more privacy, select pool villas offer direct access to a private pool, allowing guests to begin and end their days in the water without ever leaving their personal sanctuary. The outdoor spaces at Metadee are designed for living, not just passing through, and that distinction makes an enormous difference in how a stay actually feels. Food at Metadee is treated with the same level of intention as the design. The on-site dining options offer a range of flavors that cater to both adventurous palates and those seeking familiar comfort. Guests can enjoy authentic Thai cuisine prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients, where every dish carries the kind of depth that only comes from genuine culinary care. International options are also available, ensuring that families and groups with varied tastes are well accommodated. Breakfast at the hotel is a particular highlight, offering a spread that sets a positive tone for the entire day. Whether you are dining poolside or in the main restaurant, the service is attentive without being intrusive, a balance that is harder to achieve than it sounds. Metadee's location in Karon, one of Phuket's most beloved beach areas, places guests within easy reach of the island's best offerings. Karon Beach itself is just a short walk away, stretching for nearly 3 kilometers of golden sand and clear Andaman seawater. The surrounding area is filled with restaurants, markets and shops that give visitors a genuine taste of local life. For those wanting to explore further, the hotel's proximity to Patong and Kata means that the full spectrum of Phuket's entertainment, nightlife and cultural sites is easily accessible. Phuket International Airport is approximately 45 minutes away by car, making arrivals and departures straightforward and stress-free. Metadee Concept Hotel appeals to a wide range of travelers, but it resonates most deeply with those who believe that where you stay shapes how you travel. Couples looking for a romantic retreat will find the intimate atmosphere and private pool options deeply satisfying. Families benefit from the spacious layouts and child-friendly amenities. Solo travelers and design enthusiasts will appreciate the visual coherence and the sense of being somewhere that has been genuinely thought through. In a destination as popular as Phuket, standing out requires more than a good location. Metadee understands this, and it delivers on that understanding with every carefully considered element of its guest experience.